Alright guys, in the first lesson I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is and just explain how it works and the basic premise in plain English. So to put it simply, affiliate marketing is just referrals. You promote a company's products or services through a personalized link with tracking, and if they buy the product, usually within 30 days, then you receive a commission. Commissions are either a fixed amount, like $20 per sale for example, or a percentage of the sale. So an example would be 10% of the product purchased. Here are the benefits of affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing has little to no upfront costs to get started, no inventory or products to buy. It's 100% passive income once you get it set up and started. So there's no distribution, everything is automated. What this means is you don't have to go ship any sort of products or anything like that, or spend on expenses per every product sold, because there's nothing that you have to create or ship out or anything like that. All you do is sell, and once you sell, you receive commission automatically, and it's all tracked through software. So you don't have to deal with customer refunds, complaints, or bad reviews. Since this isn't your company or your product, then you don't have to deal with customers who want to get a refund, or who they complain about a defect or something like that. All you do is sell. That's your only job, and you don't have to worry about any of the flack that comes with actually owning your own product or service. So the only expenses that you actually have are for paid advertising, if you choose to go that route, and or any additional services like email marketing tools or any sort of marketing that you want to do on top of your affiliate marketing business. And last but not least, the most time freedom possible through affiliate marketing. So due to this lack of having to distribute or to purchase inventory or dealing with customers, affiliate marketing really is the most passive in terms of online income and online business, because you can really just set it up once, and then once it's set up correctly, you can continue to make money from, let's say, a single video or blog post or article for months, if not years to come. So I'm going to explain to you guys why affiliate marketing is the best first online business versus the other popular online businesses out there right now. So the first sort of point is you don't have to risk spending thousands of dollars on inventory, which may or may not sell, like Amazon FBA and e-commerce. So you don't actually have to buy any of these products. You don't have to spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 to purchase, let's say, $100, $250, $500 of a product which you may not actually end up selling, and you will have to eat up those costs because you actually you don't have to own the product. You only sell as a middleman for a company, so you have like virtually no risk and no obligation. So the second point is you don't need capital to start, like with stock trading and other traditional businesses. So this example I have is Shark Tank, which is one of my favorite shows to watch on TV. But one thing that always gets me about Shark Tank is a lot of these businesses, they come in there and usually they're looking for capital. They're looking for capital to either get their business off the ground or to continue growing their business. And a lot of these companies, they're asking for amounts like $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 in order to grow their business. But it boggles my mind, because with affiliate marketing, you actually don't need $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 to really get it going. In fact, you honestly don't even need to spend any money to get started. So that's one of the beautiful things about affiliate marketing, is that it's very, very low investment upfront. And again, time freedom. Since you don't have to worry about distributing or shipping products or answering customer emails or complaints, you can seriously just set up a machine or sort of like a process to sell products to customers, and then you just sit back, relax while the sales come in and the commission checks get sent to you, every week, every month. You really don't have to do any hands-on sorts of selling or distributing, shipping, or anything like that. Last but not least, you don't have to do any active work. You don't have to trade your time for money like a job, such as a social media marketing agency, which I see is popping up and is very popular these days. And it definitely is. That's one way to make money, sort of using technology. But the only problem I have with that is that I don't really want to, be working on a daily basis, and then having to deal with clients who, could come to me with complaints, and they may pull back on the service. They may pull back on hiring you if they aren't seeing the results for their social media or whatever. I just don't really like dealing with other people or businesses where you have to work with them and then they could complain about your service and not think it's worth it, so on and so forth. So I'd rather not deal with any of that. I'd rather just do what I'm good at, which is selling, and if I do my job well, and then I get paid appropriately. So anyways, that wraps that video up. Go on to the next lesson where I'll give you guys some actual real world examples of affiliate marketing, successful affiliate marketing in today's day and age that you guys probably see every single day, and maybe